Hey there, my friend, welcome. This is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, founder here at the Fit Father Project. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to do plyometric lunges, or better known as plyo lunges. And these are a really great exercise that I love because they give you a really great metabolic boosting effect, and you don't need any equipment. All you need is your body and around 10 feet of floor space. So in this video, I'm going to give you all the key form points on how to do plyo lunges. You're going to see me demo a few. And at the end, I'm going to give you some ideas on some sets and reps of how you can incorporate these into your training to get the best results with your leg strength, explosiveness, and fat loss. I know you're going to learn a ton. Get out your pen and paper. Let's dive on in.
FitFatherProject.com.
So plyometrics are essentially explosive body weight exercises, and the plyo lunge is going to be very similar to a kind of drop back lunge, except we're going to be jumping and alternating legs. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that. First thing is to get enough space here where you can move. You know, you're not going to be moving too much, but you definitely need at least 5-6 feet around you. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to get into a lunge position where I'm going to take a step forward and take a step back. So I want to make sure when I'm in a lunge position that my feet are not so far in a line that I don't have enough balance. I need enough of a base. So make sure your feet are roughly around shoulder width and that foot is stepped back. And what we're going to do is we're going to lunge back. Leg is basically going to touch, and then we're going to jump and come to the other side. Jump here, touch and go on the knee, just like this. So notice how my front feet land roughly in the same spot every time. And my back feet, that knee barely touches, and then it comes on up into the next explosive. I use my hands to counterbalance me, but it's totally not necessary. You can find your own pace. But the key to starting this, to kind of deconstruct that motion, is that shoulder width. Take that foot, drop back. That's going to be your starting lunge position. What I'm going to do in this position is drop straight down. Knee comes down to here. And from here, I'm going to explode up off this front leg and switch. Right back to this position. Here, exploding off this front leg, up, midair, switching. Driving off this front leg here, up, midair, switching. So if I could pause time, it would look something like slow motion, like this. So we're always driving off that front leg in this loaded position. It's important when doing plyo lunges not to slam your back knee down. Very gently touch. And the key to doing that, and not just slamming your knee, is look at my back toe. My back toe, as I'm doing this, is going to catch the brunt of the force. So watch those back feet here. Back toe catches. Knee just barely touches. That back toe catches right here. See how the knee's not touching the ground? Back toe has the force. So that is how you do a plyo lunge, and it's phenomenally effective. What the research actually shows is that it's not just heavy weights that builds the muscle and explosiveness. Sometimes it's doing exercises explosively. So the beautiful part about the plyo lunge is we are exploding from that bottom, and that works the fast twitch fibers of each leg. And because we're continuously doing back and forth, you're going to get a great cardio effect. I mean, challenge, I dare you to go out there and do a set of 25 plyo lunges each leg. So count it as 1, 2, and by the end of that, you're going to be seriously out of breath. So I like to do these on some of my metabolic conditioning days or cardio days. It's a great time to do some body weight things like plyo lunges, or at the end of your leg workout to burn things out and do 2 to 3 sets of 25 reps per side. And so that would equal, you know, eventually you can get up to 75 reps per side. That's some pretty serious plyo lunge work. And you get a great cardio benefit out of that, and it's a good finisher at the tail end of your workout. Or a beginner, if you want to do at the front end of your leg workout, warm yourself up dynamically with some plyo lunges, 15-20 reps per side, can really get you ready to do some heavier motions like some squats and leg press. So those are ideas on the plyo lunge. I hope you found this valuable. Again, drop back, knee touches down, explode through that front leg, switch in the air, catch yourself on that back toe, and come on down. That's how you do the plyo lunge. If you like this, you learned something new, give us a thumbs up, let us know. We put a lot of pride and care into these videos to really provide you the best content possible. So it's nice when we get to know from you that you found it valuable, to learn something. So give us a thumbs up and drop us a comment below if you enjoyed this, or if you have other tutorials you'd like to see. And definitely hit subscribe to join our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We have hundreds of videos on the channel already. At the moment of shooting this, all the best exercise tutorials, we've pretty much shot it, so it's there for you. As well as all the best content on nutrition, muscle building workouts, fat loss workouts, how to get and stay motivated. We have all that in the channel, so we'd love you to join our Fit Follower Project YouTube community. It means a ton to us, and we love every new subscriber we get, so join us, and we'd love to give you notifications when we publish new videos later this week. And if you're a person out there who's looking to do some exercises to burn some fat, we have an amazing free 24-minute fat burning workout where you'll see me actually here in the gym demoing a 24-minute workout flow with just a pair of dumbbells and around 6 feet of floor space right here on how to get one of the most effective total body strength and fat burning workouts. And we designed this for busy fathers and men over 40. So you can check that out. You can click the links in the description, or if you're watching this on the blog, it's linked below as well. That free 24-minute workout, we'll send it straight to your email, and you'll see me in the gym demoing it, and I'll also be able to email you the PDF of the full workout that you can try this week, and I know it's going to be an ass kicker for you too, so definitely check that out. Thanks for being here, my friend. Thumbs up, comment, hit subscribe, check out that free 24-minute workout, and I'll see you around the Fit Follower Project blog, our YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you very soon.